we're going to work on the Gwat-sau, which means wiping arm. The Gwat-sau has a couple different great applications, one of which we'll be going over this week. Let's take a look at it in the form. From the high tom position, we're going to jump. From the jump, we come out and Gwat. Again, high tom, jut, Gwat. Start from a Gwat-sau position. It's being pushed up, let it go up. From here, we're going to drop the elbow, Gwat, and punch. Hand comes up, Gwat, and punch. Hand comes up, Gwat, and punch. Unlike the Gwat-sau, which is splitting hand, the Gwat goes to the thigh. This means it's different than the Gwat-sau or splitting hand. Gwat-sau punch, Gwat-sau punch. Rise up, turn, Gwat, punch. Turn, Gwat. Gwat. This application is going to show you what to do when someone's trying to punch underneath and through us.
I start by punching underneath Rick's bridge. He returns a favor with a strike back. He jut, Gwat, punches. There it is. As you see, he yields off, switches, and turns all the way over. That way he stays out of the way of my strikes.
Let's review. Gwat-sau, wiping hand. Goes to the thigh, it's off the body. Pair it up with a punch and many feet. That's where it's coming from. That's everything working together. Get the arms, legs, everything moving in beautiful unity. That's Kung Fu. I want you to remember, Kung Fu is for everybody. No matter what your ability. Try this out. Work on it. And I hope you remember, Kung Fu is for everybody. Bye.